What is good, squad? Welcome back to another video, man. Hope everybody's having a good day. I got you guys with animals go on a rampage and caught on camera. So, y'all don't know, man. Animals are a lot like humans, bro. Like monkeys, apes, bro. They are smart as shit. Trust me, they are smart, nigga. Like I've seen monkeys and apes text on a phone. Like literally full on text messages. I seen videos, bro. It's like wild. And now they're coming out nowadays with robot restaurants, man. Restaurants controlled by robots. They flip the patties, they do everything. No workers, just controlled by restaurants, man. Hey, the original link to this video will be in the description down below. Instagram in the description down below. Everything you need to know about your boy, man, will be in the description down below, man. Let's get into this video. Let's go.
When animals take charge, you can expect lots of surprises. WOW TV's got videos of animals in all sorts of emotional situations.
I think you're getting attacked by a pig.
Are you okay? Let's start right away. At a beetle farm, a lost elephant suddenly appeared.
How do you lose an elephant?
The farmer managed to escape from the angry creature.
He hid underneath the car. That nigga smart as shit.
Consider this a warning if you decide to go to sea on an inflatable boat. All they need to do is
These niggas went to sea on an inflatable boat. You see a shark coming up to you, trying to bite your shit, and you still gonna stay still, like you're not one bite away from going underwater, nigga. Like what? It's an inflatable boat. It's in the name.
Speed up and get away from here immediately. Two lions caused chaos when they suddenly leapt out of an enclosed fence.
Gamefly is the best way to try new games. Rent it, love it, buy it at...
You got two lions in the crowd?
After 15 minutes with no injuries reported.
That's what I'm talking about. So you're like kind of trained.
Don't get too close to bison. They could get mad at any time. A crazy scene was caught on CCTV as a rabid fox tried to approach a woman.
I thought that was a cat. I'm not even gonna hold you. I didn't know what that was.
It only left her alone when the neighbor ran over with a whip in hand. Shh, don't move, or the cheetah's gonna notice. And that's when things will go wrong.
Oh hell no! Just imagine that in your face though is wild.
Once a well-behaved dog, Palgang suddenly became aggressive. Due to frequently being scolded, he exhibited rebellious behavior.
Oh shoot! That reminds me of something. Animals can sense when natural disasters are about to happen before humans. So they start acting weird. So this could be like one of those cases. I'm not gonna lie to you.
Then he had to join an organized training program to be a good boy again. When you're at level 1 and live in Australia. And here's at level 2.
She's getting attacked by birds.
The bar was a place for us to unwind after a day's work. But the horse just ruined it.
Yo, that a fucking horse?
Ruined bar was a place for us to unwind after a day's work. But the horse just ruined it.
And you got people just backing up like this is a normal day in the restaurant. Did nobody see the horse like walking down the street?
Don't tease me, or my mom will go bananas.
Oh yeah, that's a big mistake right there.
Despite the lifeguard's warnings, many tourists still swam where sea lions lived. This made the animals unhappy and determined to act. The energy of these animals is truly amazing, isn't it?
He's destroying the roof.
They seem to never
My
sit
man's
still.
wild for that one. He's doing one by one. He's getting smart ass. I shoot that little ass nigga. Hey, cat.
They say the Kaluga fish is very gentle because they don't have teeth. But look at its behavior. Quite nasty. The road in northeastern Thailand is notorious for its troublemakers. These troublemakers
You got an
enjoy
elephant on top of your
blocking cars
car,
and
bro.
sitting
You
on
gotta
them.
move.
Anyone unlucky enough to pass through this road often ends up spending a lot of money to repair their car.
Yeah, I reckon. That's
Don't laugh. You don't know how fast hippos can be underwater.
Is that a hippo?
Holy sh**.
And he on your
Oh
ass.
my god.
They talk about some, oh my god, my ass would have been
Adults
speeding
should
up.
always accompany children
me.
when going outside, as many dangers are lurking.
Is that a dog? No, it's a fox. Those are dogs.
I'm not sure why this pit bull pack acted so aggressively. But luckily, some brave men stepped up to protect the woman from the bad dogs. It seems like the alligator saw the man as a fatter prey.
My man's almost got eaten. Ain't no cap.
Before
On the
the
job,
bathroom
too.
ceiling gets sealed up, I'm sure no one will dare to use that room.
Imagine, squad, imagine you wake up one day, you sit up in your bed, right? Normal day. How you wake up, you know, take a sip, turn the fan off, do whatever y'all do, man. Smoke, do whatever. Then you look at your ceiling, and you see this shit right here. What is your first thought, nigga? What are you doing? Tell me in the comments down below, okay? Tell me in the comments down below, what are you doing, bro? What the fuck?
Become the master
I
of
just
the
see a
game of
deer
Thunder
try to
with the
rob a
Seas War
nigga.
Fury in the epic multiplayer action game War Thunder.
Kangaroos.
Open the door and all. Am I tripping? That's wild.
Kangaroos, known troublemakers, have finally met their match. The Arctic environment is
That's a
increasingly
seal.
polluted, so animals are protesting against humans coming here.
Oh yeah.
Perhaps this
Arctic is
goose was
melting
trying
because
out
of
some
global
moves
warming
from
and
Kung
shit,
Fu
man.
Panda on the police officer.
That cat fucking her ass up.
Ow! Jay, help! Ow! The cat, help! Help, help the cat!
She succeeded in provoking the wild nature of the gorilla. Somewhere in France, there's a sheep that
She
always
ugly as
looks
shit
like
for that.
bicycles.
Now, y'all can do that in public? Hell no.
Could this be the animal version of road rage? That's why you should muzzle pets when taking them outside.
Pero bata. fíjate, ya equivocó, la pegó 2 veces ya.
What the fuck is
How on
that?
earth did a wild boar appear from there?
A boar?
All right, buddy.
How did a
you
boar
really
get in
caused
the
a lot of
ceiling?
damage to the store. Orcas belong to the dolphin family.
He was in the
But
store.
that doesn't stop them from hunting their cousins. Thought to be just a regular order, it turned out to be the beginning of the movie, The Rise of the Land Lobsters. This unexpected encounter didn't lead to a beautiful friendship.
I'm joking. Opa.
Despite having horns, the goat wasn't a match for the kangaroo.
Wow. Who could expect this? Kangaroo attacking.
Oh yeah.
Fear
Oh, I
drove
wanted
the
to
boat
actually
crazy.
see more of that.
People said it was running from the vehicle, taking it to the slaughterhouse.
That's a bull. Monkey.
Even being locked up, the monkey could still teach the girl a lesson when teasing it.
That's a whale. Imagine if that shit landed on your boat.
This scene made me think that the deer was fleeing from some dark force in the forest. This scene made me think that the deer was fleeing from some dark force in the
You
forest.
ain't lying. They were all
This scene made me think that the deer
like a
was fleeing
lion.
from some dark force in the forest.
That reminds me of the scene from Teen Wolf.
Even in the
Where the
zoo,
deers were running
lions
straight down
would
the
never
road.
forget their wild nature. Just another day in Australia.
Seen this one too. The kangaroo
You
was
always have
messing
to
with
be
the
mentally
man's
prepared
dog.
to deal with
man.
kangaroos when going out.
He was trying to help his dog.
The lion's intention was thwarted by the zookeeper.
Wow.
Last time we took about a minute or two.
Who is knocking? I was
Ooh.
taking a nap.
And they can be anywhere, bro.
Crazy, dude.
This is what happens when you encounter a level 1 Pidgeot without a Pokemon.
I seen a video of a lady trying to save her dog and she ended up being eaten herself by an alligator in like Florida, bro. It's like crazy. So she was on the edge of the water, walking her dog. Alligator grabbed her dog. She tried to save her dog, killed her and her dog. No, I think the dog lived. She died.
This guy tested the patience of the bear by locking himself in an iron cage. The hunger of this animal is no joke. What made this camel so angry? If you want to attract
I would've
seals
dropped
at the
that
beach,
shit.
just bring along a box full of food. worry, the octopus is just trying to escape from here. It seems like the Lion King movie has made the relationship between lions and hyenas more distant.
They trying to gang up on my man, but he's standing strong.
The salon had an unwelcome guest. Not only did it chase the owner out, but it also damaged the store's entrance. I like how he tries different angles and body parts to fit in his beak.
Hey, alright, yeah, that's funny. I ain't going. I want to go to the zoo. Like, imagine seeing this. I think that might be my next trip, man. I want to go to the zoo. Y'all let me know in the comments down below if y'all want me to vlog that. I would definitely vlog that for you guys.
The fishermen had to stop their fishing trip after being attacked by sharks. The shark hit so hard that it nearly knocked them out of the canoe.
Oh my gosh!
How are people laughing at this? Hell no.
This
I wouldn't
wasn't
be in the water
someone's
like that
decorative
to begin
piece.
with.
It
Can't
was
even
a
swim for
spiderweb
real.
rain found in Bali, Indonesia. This wasn't someone's decorative piece. It was a spiderweb rain found in Bali, Indonesia. Call this fish the robber because it successfully snatched the man's glasses. The eagle is known as the king of the sky because of its size and strength. But this king was quite mischievous and wanted to join in the game. This hotel was designed for guests to ski straight to their rooms. That's why this mountain lion could show up.
I was wondering what that was.
This unlucky warthog lost its guard and got too close to the rhino. It didn't expect the rhino to react so fast.
Damn. Man, if you don't get your little ass out of here.
The swan was like, "Are you new here, boy? You better know who's the boss here." Because the employee forgot to close the pen, around 100 ostriches raced through the
Yo,
streets.
imagine walking down the street seeing that shit, bro.
The rampage of these giant birds left locals feeling alarmed.
That's like instant 10 million views. Who's that, lion? I actually had a parrot, and it would be like on some weird shit. One day it wouldn't bite. Another day you put your hand in that bitch, you put your hand even on the cage, yo, bite the shit out you. Hey, I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Make sure everybody stay safe. We out, y'all.